Part 2, going up here take a look at the detector cars.
Yeah, you might see me at the yard. And you spray that carburetor.
With that starter fluid?
Yeah. That bitch probably print right on up.
Yeah. Look at that Tahoe. Oh, so he said they ain't put these on here yet.
Nah, next year he said they'll be on there.
I mean, they gonna have to sit a whole nother year? I ain't tripping, man. You know,
Yeah, he tripping.
the longer these cars sit, man, the worse it is, man.
Yeah.
The bodies look pretty good, though.
It inside pretty good too. I mean, besides just until they start putting the banging up to keep the sun from tearing it up and drying it out.
Yeah.
I want this black one.
Hey, that one got leather in it. Hey, I want this silver one right here with these honeycombs on it.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Black.
Well, look at the green one, though.
Oh,
Yeah, that one clean up. Wow.
look, man, I'm about to
I'm gonna
bring you a
this
whole
one
lot
would
of
be locked.
business.
Hey, you see we getting it on video, man, so that way when we get ready to bid on it, we already got it on video.
Just drive around these motherfuckers.
Got that gold plate on this one right here. Hey, this would be one to bid on right here. You see, got the gold plate. 162,000 miles of rebuilt.
Oh dang.
So this would be a good one to bid on. 211,000 miles. So this one only got like 50,000 miles on it. Then since it been rebuilt. Don't ragged it up. Yeah. Took that one down through there. Next year. None of them cranking up. Man, okay.
Hey, we there. Yep, I'm in Birmingham now.
Look at this thing.
He just brought me out here to a gold mine. You know all the police cars. And they decommission all the Crown Vic. He just bought him $600. Huh? Hell no. He was like, they just. Hell no.
Got some miles on them, but look, still got the cage in the back. Yeah. Need a cup holder out there.
Like you said,
Yeah.
you gotta spray that water fluid on there and shoot that gas up in there. And get it to running, cause like you said, it ain't gonna run for so damn long.
Yeah, that's what it is, man. They been sitting up, fuse apart and dried out and everything, man.
Yeah.
Got these little vans.
Yeah, you fuck around and get one of these.
I'm telling him I want one of these vans, man. So I'm telling him I want one. I'm gonna ask him like, what would be the best thing to buy here for him? You know, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I won't mind getting one of them Tahoe, but I'm asking about them Chargers, man. What be wrong with them things, man?
True.
I want one of them, but them things, the maintenance wise, man.
Yeah, that's why, like I said, you with these, you can pretty much work on them.
Yeah, work on yourself.
I really don't want them, but the motor, if I can snatch the motor out of this bitch, I got a car to put it in.
Yeah. You know how to drive that trailer?
Just
You the man with the master plan, man. Go knock it out.
This man just tried me like I ain't bagged up U-Hauls and push. This little ugly motherfucker.
The blue and clean though. Awesome. I'm just showing y'all the auction, man, firsthand. Well, they got everything out here on this side mainly. Okay, all right, thank you. mainly they got the Crown Vics on this side. We seen up there they had the Tahoe, the vans. They got a lot more in the back. We ain't gonna make it back there today. Just kind of get this car hooked up, but mainly, yeah, that's where we at with that. The newer Tahoes, the Chargers, I have those. Those are all gone right now. But you know, that's where we at. And really, now this auction here, I usually go to another auction. This one here, this auction here, a lot of these cars been sitting a long time. Try not to get nothing that's been sitting a while, but sometimes you gotta take no risk. And the Crown Vic is pretty simple to work on, so we gonna make it work. We gonna get it back running now. Take a lot of cleaning on it too. We're gonna get it back working. All right, that's good. That's good. A lot of cleaning gonna have to be done. We're gonna get it right. None of these bitches cranking up. Might try to crank that mother up one more time. Yeah. That's the one I'm picking up today. The van don't look that bad. It says something about waltzes too, so we gotta be careful we won't get bit by nothing. Old van. Be a neat little work van. Definitely be a neat little work van. I'm definitely gonna have to end up getting one of these. This mother do some weight, hold some stuff here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey man, that car here supposed to be running, man. It's a fuel injection performance kit.
Still sitting up a year though.
Yeah.
Do y'all sell the motors out some of these cars? Do y'all sell it as a whole?
The whole thing.